Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well wherever you are in the world. You join me in an unboxing video of something really rather special from Crockett Jones. Now this is a brand that is new to me in the sense of before this video, or before several weeks ago when I actually bought this pair of shoes, I didn't own anything from Crockett Jones. Now, I say I bought these shoes several weeks ago. This is the first opportunity I've had to actually film this unboxing because I wanted to make sure that I did it justice. These things take time, and I wanted to do these shoes justice as well. Now, I went into the Burlington Arcade flagship store, had a wonderful time there, checking out loads of different shoes. The staff were amazing, gave me some great advice, sizing, fitting, style-wise. And I actually picked up a really lovely pair of shoes that come in this lovely green bag with the gold embossed Crockett Jones logo on the front there. So I'm just going to jump straight to it and try and slide out from this bag. It is a snug fit in here actually, I must say. So without further ado, I picked up, as you can see, a lovely branded box for the 60th anniversary of Goldfinger, celebration between Crockett Jones and Eon Productions 007. I picked up the limited edition Highbury 2s that come in a beautiful suede. It's calfskin suede, and it's an homage to the Highburys that were worn by Sean Connery's James Bond in Goldfinger. So I'm really excited to get these. Also, being in a fairly recently a new job, a new office environment, I wanted something as well that is going to be very comfortable, very stylish, have that invisible Bond connection moment as well, and I thought these were well worth checking out. So that's what I did. So as you can see, I'm just having a look at the box here because this is the first time since I was in the store that I've taken it out. Lovely design work on the front here. We have Goldfinger, but instead of GO, we have the 60 years, Crockett Jones and 007 with that retro classic 007 logo from the 60s, ties in beautifully with the logo used at the time back in 1964 for Goldfinger. What else can I say about this box? It's heavy is one thing. And on the side part here, we'll see we have the name. These are the Highbury 2s, the size, so I'm a size 8E here in the UK. Now I traditionally, or more often than not, will wear an 8.5 to a 9. So it was really interesting actually going into the store and having the advice of the wonderful sales guys in there who were able to actually measure my foot correctly to see what size was going to be the best fit for me. Now, at the moment, I don't own that many pairs of shoes because the ones that I have last a very long time. I've got a pair of lovely desert boots from Timberland that still have exactly the original tread on them that they did the first day that I got them, and I've had them about 8 to 10 years. So I don't go through shoes very quickly, but I wanted something, as I say, that was going to be new, fresh, good style, and something that I would feel very comfortable in throughout the day in the office environment or going out into London, whatever the case may be. So Highbury 2s, size 8, and it has the description on here, dark brown calf suede. So let's have a look, shall we? So we open up the box, what do we get? So it is the box lid. We have Goldfinger 007 and related Bond insignia, a Dan Jack and MGM copyright information basically on the lid. So we'll place that down. Right, inside here we have a pouch that contains, we have a spare set of shoelaces. That's going to be very handy because that is the one thing that does wear out on the shoes that I do own is shoelaces. Tying them up every day, you know, they do wear after a while. So funny enough, that is the thing that wears out first for me, rather than the sole or anything else like that. So they're going to be very handy to have as spares. We also get a beautiful 007 embossed shoehorn. Now that is really nice. That's going to be very handy, great travel size. As I mentioned, on this side we have 007 and on the other side we have Crockett Jones kind of stamped into the leather there. And it really is leather. I mean, wow, that is a really strong smell very, very luxurious leather. So that's a lovely piece as well to have for the shoes. Then within the box we have, as everything from a Bond brand, doesn't matter which brand it is, comes beautifully packaged, usually with some form of tissue paper. Crockett Jones is no exception, but beautifully wrapped. And inside here we have one shoe, which we'll come to, and on the other side we have a second shoe. I'm pleased that I got two, put it that way. But there is something else I want to show you in this box, because I have seen photos of this. If I take out this tissue paper, we then have on the inside this beautiful image of Sir Sean Connery leaning up against the DB5 out in Switzerland, one of the classic images of Sean from this movie and the promotional campaign around it. Absolutely incredible, and of course he's wearing the Highburys in this image as well. So that's a lovely touch to open up the box and have that image of Sir Sean in there. So I'm going to put that to one side here, and we shall lean, don't know how we'll do this, but we'll put this there, try and lean that up. Will that stay? There we go. Okay, so two shoes, each coming in their own individual shoe bag, which is really, really nice. And you can see straight away we have some more logos on here. So we have the 007 and we have Crockett Jones, and the shoes come in these shoe bag protectors. I suppose if you're traveling, if you're going away and you wanted to put your shoes inside and keep them safe within your luggage, if you weren't wearing them whilst traveling, these would be perfect for that. So it's a drawstring. Open this up. I can just smell the leather. The calfskin suede and the leather is just amazing. So this is the big reveal, folks. So we take off this bag, place that to one side, and here we have the first view of one shoe. I'm going to get the second one out as well. Again, really nice bags. And we have the second shoe here as well, at the side there. So I shall pop the laces to one side, the shoehorn to one side, and we will talk a little bit about these shoes, these amazing shoes. So just coming back to this bag, you can probably get a better view of some of the branding that's on here. And these bags actually as shoe protectors is going to be really handy, really useful. And they're just cool things to have, I think, as well, to keep your shoes looking fresh when you're not using them. Pop them in a bag, keep them protected, and yeah, lovely stuff. So two shoe bags, lovely. Two shoes, even lovelier. So these shoes, absolutely, the smell, I wish we had smell-o-vision and you could smell the leather and, you know, this classic smell that you get from a new pair of shoes, but also you can tell when it is high quality leather and materials that has been used because of the smell that you get. Something else to note within these shoes, you also have here, there is another 007 logo here, because we have some shoe trees included within this whole package that are 007 branded, as well as Crockett Jones, of course. But yeah, these shoes look absolutely incredible. The colour I love, this kind of deep dark brown that we've got going on here is going to match and pair really well with a pair of chinos, various coloured chinos, to be honest. I think these will go well with pretty much anything, as well as a suit. They're going to work fantastic within the office environment, a more formal environment or setting, events, parties, whatever the case may be. I think these shoes are going to be a perfect accompaniment, and they're quite weighty. Now I know that we've got the shoe tree in here still, but there is some weight and some heft to them. So just to give you a little bit of an insight as to what Crockett Jones say about these shoes, they are both historic and iconic. James Bond is not only the world's most famous secret agent, he's also the world's best dressed. I think there's no argument there. When it comes to spy rankings and how they're dressed, Bond wins every time. Bond's wardrobe has always been an integral part of his character, with the early films being no exception. James Bond is always immaculately dressed. His subtle, elegant, yet understated silhouette radiates an air of conviction and competence, only to be confronted at your own peril. Same thing, I think you could say, goes for these shoes, because the silhouette of these, you know, the profile, if I hold these here, the profile is classic, elegant, but you can tell you would be ready for anything with a pair of shoes like this. They also go on to say, even his early style remains timeless to this day, as a conscious decision to wear only the highest quality clothing and footwear shines through. An iconic combination of Britishness, through his character and clothing, continues to inspire Crockett Jones. Following its recent announcement as a continued official partner and provider of footwear to James Bond and Eon Productions, Crockett Jones creates 2 new styles. This is one of them, the Highbury 2, and absolutely beautiful. What I'll do is I will take the shoe tree out from one of these shoes and give you a view of what's inside. This is what a shoe tree looks like. This is not something that I've ever really encountered before, but these are designed to maintain the shape of your shoe when it's not in use. It's a good idea to get shoe trees, to pop them in. It comes in this beautiful black finish. On the bottom here it has 8E, which is the size of these shoes. So that is actually the size that I now know, if I'm a returning customer to Crockett Jones, the size that I need to look at as a basis to start from and then work from there. So 8E is my size. And as I've mentioned already, it comes with the 007 logo and Crockett Jones here as well. So to look at the inside of the shoe, we have, again, the amazing smell of leather, high quality materials used. There is also on the inside here this black and gold finish in terms of the embossed logos that we've got. Crockett Jones 007 limited edition, signifying that these are an incredibly special pair of shoes indeed. So what I'll do is I will also take out the shoe tree from the second pair. There we go. And there you can see now the shoes as they would be, beautifully finished, and yeah, these are going to be amazing. So something else to mention about these shoes is the sole. This is the City sole. It's the City rubbish sole. It's kind of got this almost Dr. No-esque dot pattern that goes across the sole, but this is going to provide perfect grip in many different environments, whether on carpet, whether out on the street. Indoors, outdoors, it's going to provide you with great traction as you're going about your day-to-day business. But yeah, absolutely incredible. Lovely, lovely pair of shoes. The only thing left to do is to try these shoes on and show you what they look like, putting them on, how they feel, how they fit, and we'll go from there. So we have our Highbury 2s. I also have the shoehorn that came with the shoes, which I'm going to utilise as I try and slide my foot into the shoe, like so. Fits perfectly. Should just tie this up. Now these chinos could do with being a little longer anyway, but to give you an idea, slides in like a glove. Then we should do this one up as well. Now these socks that I'm wearing are slightly thicker than I would usually wear, but in terms of sizing, the shoes fit like a glove. There is perfect fit around the width. It's really comfortable in the ankle as well, hugging around the ankle there. There's no kind of wiggle room, there's no movement, which is how you want it to be. You don't want it to start rubbing on the back of your heel. But no, that is really comfortable. Feel very solid, very secure. As I just twist in my seat here to give you some different views and angles, these shoes are fantastic. Really comfortable. They feel like a fitted glove That's the only way I can describe it. They feel like they are perfectly hugging the shape of my foot, providing great support. There is no wiggle room on the heel at all. It's perfectly fitting along this opening here. And yeah, really supremely comfortable. Very happy, very pleased. These will be a fantastic addition to the shoe lineup. As I say, I don't get many shoes because they last me forever. But yeah, very happy with these. Perfect. So there we have it, folks. This is the very first pair of shoes that I own from Crockett Jones, and I went big. I went for the limited edition Highbury 2s, the 60th anniversary pieces celebrating Goldfinger, and I could not be more pleased. I'm going to thoroughly enjoy wearing these into the office, as well as going into London, going to different Bond-related events even. These will be a lovely addition to my look, to the wardrobe. So I want to say a massive thank you to Crockett Jones, to their wonderful team down at Burlington Arcade, who provided such great assistance and valuable insight to me so that I could make sure I got the right pair of shoes in terms of size, style, fit, comfort. Cannot thank them enough. So I am not sponsored by them, I'm not endorsed by them, but I can only speak from personal experience, and I do recommend going in, checking out some of their shoes. They have such a fantastic line, not just Bond shoes as well. There's a whole host of different looks and styles that they've got, and everything is made in the UK at their factory in Northampton. It's another big tick for me. I like stuff that is made with such passion and care, almost to a bespoke nature, to be honest. And yes, you may pay a premium for that, but a good pair of shoes will last you many, many years, well looked after, well maintained. So I've no complaints. I'm just thoroughly impressed and pleased with this pair of shoes. And once again, thank you to Crockett Jones for all of their assistance. That's it for this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please do consider giving it a thumbs up, clicking the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hitting the bell notification so you get a notice whenever I post something new. But that's it for this time. Until the next time, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you all very soon. Bye for now.